Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft without a Mojang account. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. As of right now, I am the Minecraft.net and you can see here this option for account. Now click on this sign in right here and then you can see that you can now sign in with Microsoft or sign up on Microsoft. So you can see right here that the Minecraft doesn't require Mojang account anymore. This is because this has been discontinued. So you can head over and sign in with your Microsoft from in there. So head over and click on this sign in right here in order to sign in. Once you have secured the account, you can head over and then install any Minecraft game. So you can see that they're available on this gaming system. So head over and then click on which one of them. And then from in there, you can head over and click on this dig deeper right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this right here. You can choose in here. You can see in here some screenshots. And if you're ready to purchase, head over and click on this get Minecraft right here. Now, as you can see, this Minecraft is available for Windows, Macs, Linux, and make sure that you're everyone 10 plus. And in here, you can check it out. And then from in there, just download it from the official Minecraft website through this page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful or if you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.